This is a drawing from StarOffice, the ancestor of LibreOffice. LibreOffice Draw can still open these legacy files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your SDA, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. An SDA file is a compressed archive format, primarily associated with older versions of StarOffice, predating OpenOffice and LibreOffice. It can contain various types of documents, including text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and graphics. SDA files are essentially zip archives with a specific structure and file extensions used by StarOffice. SDA files are structured as zip archives, allowing for compression and organization of multiple files within a single container. The internal structure typically includes XML-based configuration files and the actual document content in a proprietary format. While modern Office suites can often open SDA files, compatibility may vary depending on the version and complexity of the document. For managing SDA files, the best dedicated software is StarOffice and 7-Zip from StarOffice and 7-Zip. Windows is unable to interpret the specific configuration values within the file. Windows shows only a basic representation, so accurate editing must happen in a presentation app. We're checking the software's ability to read the file header. Right-click the SDA file and select Open With. Test StarOffice and 7-Zip first. If it's not present, choose a different application. The key is persistence. When an SDA file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Because your SDA file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, use LibreOffice Draw. Open the file using LibreOffice Draw or Apache OpenOffice Draw, which are the primary applications for the template. Next, check version. Ensure your Office version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to PDF SVG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal format like .pdf or .dsvg. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.